What the? Yo, what is up guys? James here, welcome back because today we're gonna be microwaving things again. So on the last video, we were microwaving eggs and it was kind of bad. It exploded. I don't know if you guys haven't seen it. If you guys haven't, go ahead and check that out. So today we're gonna be microwaving light bulbs. Oh my god, this is gonna be risky. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to drop a like on here and that will show me that you guys enjoyed the series and I will see you in the end. Okay, so basically I got another microwave because last time the microwave I got was like, you couldn't barely see through it, so hopefully this one you can like see through the thing. Oh crap. This is not the one you can see through. Oh my god. You know, it was pretty bad last time, so I got a new one, and this time it's white. Not racist, but also I'm sorry if there's like a lot of echo or like really loud noises because I'm in like a huge room. Anyways, let's try to get this open. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta do this from the floor. Okay, hold on guys. Oh shit! Oh! Can you see through this? No! So basically there was no point for me buying a new microwave because you can't see through this one as well, okay? So I gotta have like really good lighting for you guys to see in here. Okay, so for what you want to do first is you want to get like a clear cup, okay? You want to put water in here. And I think that, I don't know if that's a lot, okay. Okay, so basically after you filled up your cup of water, place it in here very firmly, nice, okay? And you see that? Oh my god. Okay, so you're supposed to get it like this, and then you put it in the microwave. You can't put it for more than 45 seconds, or it'll go kind of crazy, I don't know. Oh my god, this is a perfect angle. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's the light bulb and everything. And, okay, that was unnecessary. Okay, we're gonna start right now. Okay. What the hell? It's out. What? Okay, this is not. Okay, something's wrong. I broke the micro. Oh shit, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, my camera better be picking up on that. What the heck? Oh no, it's green. Oh god, this is dangerous. Should I be close to this? Yo, look at that. Yo, that is, now it's red. Okay, I gotta stop it. Oh my god, it's green. What the? Oh my god. So that was actually really cool. It was like flashing a bunch of colors and I actually got that on camera. There you guys have it. That was the first light bulb. So we got this light bulb right here. What is it? Oh my god, okay. Okay. Whew. Okay, so we got we got this light bulb. I don't know what the hell it is. We're gonna put it back in the water. And it could be the same result, but hopefully it gets like different colors or something. But yeah, let's go ahead and put it back in here. Do not get a microwave just to do this, okay? Don't be stupid like me. I'm just wasting money. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at this angle so you know it won't be that bad. We're gonna click start. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Guys, what the hell? Yo! Do you see that? It's glowing! Yo, that's more lit. Okay, I'm sorry if I keep talking, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. And there's bubbles coming out from the bottom. I don't know why. That's actually pretty cool. Damn, guys. I mean, you could try this at home. Just be sure to get your parents' permission. So I'm gonna put the camera a bit back just in case. If it explodes, guys, I gotta call 911. Okay, well, not so bad. Okay, so that one was actually pretty cool. It wasn't like the first one. The first one was like making red, green. It was really crazy. But this one was just like bright, okay? It was hella bright. I don't know if I can touch the light bulb or anything, but I'm gonna have to use my little polka dot green. Now I gotta take this out by the tip. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, okay, this is hard. This is actually hard. I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video, but I know my hair is like all flingy and messed up today. It was because I'm like really sick, but I needed to do a video anyways. And this is gonna like be a best cure for me, having fun, and maybe lighting the house on fire. I don't know. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't know what to choose. I will pick you. All right. So the next one we're gonna do is probably this one. It looks really weird. The third light bulb is always the bad luck, okay? So either this might explode, catch on fire, or something like that, okay? This is it. This is gonna be it. Cause look at this. What? Dude, I cannot drink out of this cup after this. Okay, so this is gonna be the third light bulb. And let's hit enter. Oh. Whoa, what the heck? Dude, it's like kind of a yellow light. Yo, I can't see it. All the damn reflection in the background. Oh my god, what? Oh. Yo, that's actually really cool. It's like in the middle, in the center. Yo, okay, it died. It died. Yo, I gotta stop. I might have to stop this. Oh my god. Yo, I gotta stop this. I gotta stop this. Huh. Okay, well, that wasn't bad. So there you guys go. I microwaved 3 light bulbs, and that was actually kind of crazy. So what we're gonna do next, you know, just to make this video more spiced up, we're gonna do a fork, okay? Let's see if I got a fork. I actually have a fork. This video just proves if I ever come to your house, do not trust me with any utensils or light bulbs, okay? So I've been told since childhood, do not ever microwave forks or spoons or like silverware. And this is like really dangerous. I do not want you guys to attempt this in your own microwave. Do not do this. I might leave a warning like down below. I need to take precaution because if this goes on fire, I have my sink that you can like retract and pull. Did that look wrong? Dude, this whole video just looks wrong. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo. I see it. Nothing's happening to it. I don't know if this can see it. Okay, on the other camera you can't see it, but you can see it on this one. Oh my god. I'm just so scared it's gonna explode just because of the fork. What is wrong with me? Oh, it's starting to smell. Oh, I gotta stop. Oh. I gotta throw that fork away. Anyways, that was so stupid. I'm not doing that again. All right, the whole experience of this is actually pretty cool. Like, I did not know light bulbs can do that. I've just seen some videos that microwave explode, but I wasn't expecting that. You guys probably weren't too. So yeah, comment down below which one you thought was the coolest. If you guys did enjoy this, you guys want me to microwave like a lot of more things, just drop a like on here and I'll be sure to like probably microwave my shoes or my phone or something like that. I'll do something more crazy. Do it with your parents if you guys really want to try it out. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.
Ready or not, here I come. Where you at? The night is young. In the crowd, the music's loud, but
okay, I gotta do this from the floor. Okay, hold on, guys. Oh shit! Oh!